Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the MCQs about diversity of animals. So the first one is environment that is inhabited by protozoans is option A soil, option B decaying organic matter, option C fresh and salt water, option D all of these. So mark your answers. Environment that is inhabited by protozoan is all of these because they live in soil, organic matter as well as fresh and salty water. The space between the soil particles are called interstices, and the population of protozoa exists there are known as interstitial flora, option A, option B interstitial fauna, option C microscopic organisms, option D none of these. So it's option B interstitial fauna. Into how many subkingdoms the animal kingdom is generally divided? 2, option A 2, option B 4, option C 5, option D 7. So animal kingdom is generally divided into 2 subkingdoms. Number of species of sponges are about 5,000, more than 10,000, less than 2 lakhs, about 1,25,000. So number of species of sponges are about 5,000. Option A. Into how many classes is phylum Porifera divided? Option A 2 classes, Calcarea and Demospongia. Option B 2 classes, Limey sponges and glass sponges. Option C 3. Option D is 3, Calcarea, Hyalospongia and Demospongia. So the correct option is option D. Members of phylum Porifera are all marine, option A, all freshwater, option B, mostly freshwater, few marine, option C, mostly marine and few freshwater. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन डी. पोरीफेरा के जो मेंबर्स हैं वो मोस्टली मेरीन हैं, फ्यू फ्रेश वाटर हैं. फाइलम नाइडेरिया इंक्लूड्स ऑप्शन ए अबाउट 2,000 स्पीशीज, ऑप्शन बी ओवर 9,000 स्पीशीज, ऑप्शन सी मोर देन 50,000 स्पीशीज, ऑप्शन डी none of these. So phylum Nidaria includes over 9,000 species. Option B. Which phylum is aquatic? Option A Porifera, phylum Nidaria. C is missing, but correct option is option D because Porifera and Nidaria both are aquatic. Which class of phylum Annelida are all marine? Hirodinia, option A Oligochaeta, option B Polychaeta, option C Arachne Annelida, option D. True option is option C Polychaeta. Which phylum is considered the most successful group found in almost all habitats on the earth? Phylum Mollusca, option A Arthropoda, option B Nematoda, option C Echinodermata, option D. So the most successful is option B Arthropoda. Which subphylum of Arthropoda are fossil arthropods? Oncophora, option A, option B Trilobitomorpha, option C both, option D none. So the fossil arthropods are option B Trilobitomorpha. Next is biggest phylum according to the number of species is option A Mollusca, option B Arthropoda, option C Porifera, option D Protozoa. So the biggest phylum according to the number of species is option B, Arthropoda. Among arthropods, dash are present only in the members of insecta. Option A, legs. Option B, compound eyes. Option C, wings. Option D, Malpighian tubules. So among arthropods, dash are present only in the members of insecta. Wings. Wings are present only in the members of insecta. Largest phylum next to arthropods in number of species is option A, Chordata. Option B, Mollusca. Option C, Helminthes. Option D, Porifera. So the largest phylum next to Arthropoda is Mollusca. Option B. Number of species of phylum Echinodermata is 7,000 living and 20,000 extinct. Option B, 17,000 living and 20,000 extinct. Option C, 77,000 living and 15,000 extinct. Option D, 20,000 living and 17,000 extinct. So the number of species for phylum Echinodermata is 7,000 living and 20,000 extinct. Option A. Which phylum has none of freshwater form? Option A, Porifera. Option B, Echinodermata. Option C, Mollusca. Option D, none of these. So finally the option B is correct because Echinodermata are all marine. The habitat of phylum Chordata is option A, aquatic. Option B, aerial or terrestrial. Option C, aquatic and terrestrial. Option D, both A and B. So the habitat of phylum Chordata is option D, both A and B. Albatross is a option A, marine bird, largest flying bird, found all over the world. Option D, all of these. So albatross is marine bird, largest flying bird and found all over the world. Option D is true. Which is the smallest bird found in the Cuba? Option A, wagtail. Option B, hummingbird or sunbird. Option C, Arctic tern. Option D, cuckoo. So the smallest bird found in the Cuba is option B, hummingbird. List of scavenger bird is hawks, eagles and crows. Option A. Option B is flamingos, parrots and vultures. Option C, owls, pigeons and kites. Option D, goose, sandpipers and woodpeckers. So the list of scavenger birds is option A. Young called the birds as option A, songs in the air. Option B, flying colors. Option C, masters of the air. Option D, both B and C. So Young called the birds as masters of the air. Option C. The title Glorified Reptiles by T.H. Huxley was given to salamanders, snakes, birds, fishes. The title Glorified Reptiles was given to birds. Option C. Highly adaptable. Dash have conquered all environments. From the depth to the sea of the greatest mountain ranges and are at home as well as fresh and salt water and in the air. Option A, nematoda. Option B, sponges. Option C, mollusk. Option D, none of these. So the true answer is option D, because these all things are about arthropods. The best known crustaceans are option A, crabs, shrimps, prawns. Option B, lobsters, crayfish and woodlice. Option C, sun spiders, scorpions, mites. Option D, both A and B. The best known crustaceans are both A and B. Option D. Most crustaceans are found. Option A, near the shore. Option B, in the open sea among the planktons. Option C, on the seabed at all depths. So the most crustaceans are found in all these three places: near the shore, open sea, and at sea bed at all depths. The most familiar terrestrial crustacean is water-free woodlouse, barnacles, none of these. So the most familiar terrestrial crustacean is woodlice, option B. Dash are even present in woodlice and crabs that leads to terrestrial existence. Option A, shells. Option B, gills. Option C, antenna. Option D, jaws. Dash are even present in woodlice and crabs in terrestrial environment are the gills. Option B. Which pigment is present in lobster? Red, brown, black. Option B, guanine, white. Option C, cyanocrystalline, blue. Option D, melanin, dark pigments. So in lobsters, cyanocrystalline blue pigment is present. Luminous insects are: option A, glowworms. Option B, fireflies. Option C, ground beetles. Option D, A and B. So the luminous insects are option D. Example of odorous insect is: option A, wasp. Option B, bees. Option C, shield bugs. Option D, ants. So the example of odorous insect is shield bugs. Option C. Musical insects are: option A, locust and grasshopper. Option B, dung beetles and shield beetles. Option C, moths and butterflies. Option D, ladybirds and weevils. So the musical insects are option A, locusts and grasshoppers. So that's all for today. Stay connected for more videos. Thank you.